Now we'll go to see the components of a solution. In the first picture, in order to prepare a salt solution, we first take some salt and we mix it in water, and then we get a salt solution. Salt is in a smaller quantity while water is in a larger quantity. And in this case, as we have seen here, the salt is said to be the solute and the water is said to be the solvent. So here salt plus water gives you salt solution, and in this case the salt is said to be the solute. It is in small amount, and the water is said to be the solvent, and this is the solution. Look at the next picture. Here we are preparing a copper sulphate solution, and in copper sulphate solution we take copper, crystals of copper, and we then mix it in water here. Here this is water, we mix it in water to give you a copper sulphate solution. So who is the solute here? Which is the amount substance taken in smaller amount, that is copper sulphate crystals. So we have copper sulphate, we added to water to give you copper sulphate solution. In this case, the copper sulphate is a solute, it is in lesser quantity, the water is the solvent. In the next picture we have something called tincture of iodine. Now this tincture of iodine is used as a disinfectant. When we have a wound, sometimes we put this purple like solution, it's called the tincture of iodine. And to prepare tincture of iodine, we need to mix iodine in alcohol. So here are iodine crystals which are purple in color, and you mix it in alcohol to give you tincture of iodine. So in tincture of iodine, who is the solute? Iodine is the solute, it is used in smaller quantity, and alcohol is the solvent. Next we go to aerated drinks, and in aerated drinks, these are aerated drinks. Here we mix carbon dioxide, sometimes there is sugar, that's why our drinks are sweet. They have a flavor in them, there may be a lemon flavor, or the Coke will have its own flavor. There would be color. So all these are mixed with water to give you the aerated drinks. So in this case, the solute is, this is the solute, and the solvent is water. So in general, when we look up in the next figure, what are solutions made up of? Solutions are made up of this solute, small solute, mixed in a larger amount of a solvent to give you a solution. So we can say solutions have two components. One is the solute, and on the other side is the solvent. Like in the first case, just to summarize this, in the first case for a salt solution, the salt was the solute, the solvent was water. For the next case we have copper sulphate. In that case, copper sulphate crystals were the solute, water was the solvent. When we went to tincture of iodine, for tincture of iodine, iodine was the solute and alcohol was the solvent. Then we went to aerated drinks, and in aerated drinks the solute was made up of a lot of things, like it was carbon dioxide, we had sugar, and we had flavors, all mixed in water. We'll take some more examples of a solute, of a solution. Air can be considered to be made of solution. Now if you look up at air, it is mainly made up of nitrogen, which is about 78%, and oxygen, which is about 20%, 20.2%, okay, around 20%. So in this case we can call nitrogen as a solvent and oxygen as the solute. We also learned about brass. This is brass, and we said brass was made of two, was made up of zinc, which was 30%, and copper, which was 70%. So can you stop for a moment and think who must be the solute and what must be the solution? What must be the solvent? And definitely you'll say the zinc is the solute, it is present in smaller amount, and copper is the solvent. So let us go ahead now and define solute and solvent. So if we were to define now, solvent is a component of the solution that dissolves the other component and is present in a larger amount. And solute is a component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent and is present in the lesser amount.